First of all, Ritvik, congratulations for Indori Ishq.
Thank you
Lately,
so much.
I've never seen a trailer so intense and sensitive at the same time. So, how has the response been from the audience? What are people telling you?
First of all, thank you so much. And as far as I know, people are really liking it. The comments that I've been reading and the messages
Yeah.
that I've been getting, people are really liking it, and it's just a glimpse of the show. So if people are liking the trailer, I really hope and I really believe that people will really enjoy the show because there's a lot happening in the show.
Mm-hmm. They
Yeah.
definitely should, because whenever you are in the show, it's anyway promising.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, I saw you in a totally different character because, I'm so used to seeing you as a sweet, rebel, innocent boy. And yahan pe,
Right.
in terms of portraying a heartbreaking, reckless soul, you were so authentic. How did you approach it?
I mean, I have my own process. Uh, I have been heartbroken in life as well. I have that experience. I have that sense. I have that sense कि उस moment में कैसी feeling होती है, वो heart beat तेज हो जाती है, कुछ समझ नहीं आता, पसीने
हाँ,
छूटने लगते हैं, जब पता चलता है, then you deal with it, then you move on. तो वो सारी
yeah.
feelings पता है. I tried to bring that to the character,
Mm.
to Kunal and to the screen. But कुणाल में काफी अलग भी है रियल लाइफ में. तो कुणाल जो है वो मतलब ही इज टोटली ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस गर्ल एंड ही इज इन लव विद
Yeah.
हर. उसके लाइफ में शी इज द वन, तारा.
Yeah.
एंड वो है. सो आई थिंक उन कुछ चीजों पे मुझे वर्क करना पड़ा. बट अगेन दैट्स माय जॉब एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
Mm-hmm. So, since you are a part of a show which talks about falling in love, being cheated, betrayal, and things like that, how do
राइट.
you look at the portrayal of cheating? Because, when a girl does it, it's not a big deal, but when a guy does it, like, it's a big deal. So,
एग्जैक्टली, आई वाज अबाउट टू से दैट. एग्जैक्टली.
how do you look at it?
सी मतलब दिस इज ट्रू. एज यू सेड, ऐसा होता है कि
Mhm.
अगर लड़का लड़की के साथ ब्रेकअप करे या डिच करे या कुछ भी करे तो राइटली सो लड़के को बोलते हैं कि तू प्ले बॉय है या गाली पड़ती है, वट. बट अगर वाइस वर्सा,
हाँ,
अगर लड़की लड़के के साथ ऐसा करे तो इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस यही होता है कि अरे तुझ में कुछ कमी होगी. लड़के को बोलते हैं कि तुझ में कुछ कमी हो गया, तूने कुछ गलत किया होगा,
that's what.
दैट्स व्हाई शी
True.
लेफ्ट यू, और you're
Mhm.
not enough for her, or whatever reason that may be.
Mhm.
So वो मुझे कहीं लगता है कि लाइक इमोशंस तो इंसान ही है, आफ्टर ऑल तो इमोशंस तो होते ही है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स काइंड ऑफ अनफेयर. But personally, if you ask me, I feel if I'm in a relationship, for me, it's not male or female. For me, it's two human beings
Yeah.
who are coming together in this relationship. And exactly, यार, मतलब it's mutual यार. मतलब एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. तो दो जन ही जब when there's trust, when there's love, when there's support
Yeah.
from each other, that's when a relationship works. And when things go wrong, you just try to solve it or just move away instead of.
True.
Yeah. So yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, Ritvik, on a professional note, it's so good to see the choices that you have made so far because with every show, you're making yourself stand out. So
Thank
now,
you.
are you rejecting a lot of things coming your way and are you being choosy about scripts?
Yes, I've always been choosy with my scripts. Because with me, I when I read a script, I read it as an audience. I read it, like I don't read it कि ये part इतना बड़ा है, इतना छोटा. I just read it if I first priority for me is that if I enjoy the script and enjoy the story as a whole, if it's making me
Mm-hmm.
laugh where it's supposed to, and if it's making me cry where it's supposed to, and then I look
Yeah.
at the character, कैसा है, कितना मजा आएगा करने में, what's the scope,
Huh.
all of that. So I look at that, and so again, and that's why I'm choosy, because whatever moves me, I like to do that. I like to get
Mm-hmm.
associated with good people, जिनके साथ मजा है काम करने में. And I've had
Mm-hmm.
the good fortune of being able to do so. So yeah, that's the aim. And with Indori also, I somewhere felt कि अब थोड़ा similar हो रहा था roles जो
Huh.
मैं कर रहा था somewhere. And as an actor, I really want to keep doing different roles and different characters and keep
Mm-hmm.
exploring this beautiful craft. So I really wanted to do something different, something in the gray zone, a little dark, something that I've not
Yeah.
attempted before. And I was just
Yeah.
waiting for the right script to come my way. And Indori was the one, solely because of the character and the graph that this character has in the show. It's
Mm-hmm.
insane what this guy has gone through. And fun fact, it's a true story. It's based on जो इस शो के राइटर है उन्हीं की स्टोरी है, मिस्टर कुणाल मराठे. So
Okay. Okay.
it's crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For a girl, he really like he screwed his life over, and it's
Oh my
crazy to
God.
see that. Yeah, yeah,
So this is relatable because my friends in my own circle have been through similar stuff.
yeah.
So
Is it?
yeah, really, yeah.
Oh,
So
oh,
I'm
okay.
really looking forward to this show.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, you were one of the first ones to enter the web space too, even before, it
Right,
was sort of cool. So,
right.
over the years, what has been your biggest takeaway?
Biggest takeaway. So I think the first web show that I did was Lakho Make, and तभी start ही हुआ
Yeah.
था web shows. मतलब I
हाँ,
was also,
तो
I
trending
mean,
नहीं था.
हाँ, Western
Yeah.
culture है. वहाँ देखे हैं sitcoms और ये सब, and but web show as such Netflix भी वहीं था, इधर इतना वो नहीं. तो इधर जब आया and it was all new, and I was like, I solely did it because I really liked the script of Lakho Make. I wanted to work with Biswa and I really liked the character. That's why I did it. So वो किया, and it was again a new experience. People liked it, and then I learned more about the medium, about OTT platforms, and then obviously और बड़ा होते गया, and now there's so much content and there's so much work for everyone on this platform. So yeah, I mean, it's been a great experience working on this platform, and काफी चीजें सही भी है, जैसे that you have more freedom. There's no time constraint. You can make n number of seasons with n number of episodes. If people like it,
Yeah.
people will watch it. Yeah, so you can tell a story in detail and like properly elaborate it. So that's
Mm-hmm.
quite fun.
Mm-hmm. So, you being a Gen Z actor, what are the challenges you face in terms of getting a project or, competing with your contemporaries?
uh I don't know, मतलब ऐसे रिजेक्शन मुझे ऐसे नहीं मिला है कि वी रिजेक्टिंग यू बिकॉज मतलब एक्टिंग के अलावा कोई और चीज से आई डोंट नो रिजेक्शन हुआ है, एटलीस्ट नॉट ऑन माय फेस. कभी कभी होता है कि कोई लोग फिट नहीं होता है, और यू आर जस्ट नॉट समवन हु दे आर लुकिंग एट, maybe they
Mm-hmm.
have a different face in mind or whatever. um काफी प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जो I really wish I were a part of, but it didn't work out, and when I saw them, it was much better than I imagined. So
Okay.
so yeah, so like no regrets there as well. But yeah, मतलब rejection face करना थोड़ा starting में it was hard for me to accept कि I
Mm-hmm.
used to blame, like कुछ हुआ था, I used to be like supposingly project से reject हो गया for whatever reason. तो ये लगता था कि
Mm-hmm.
अरे यार, I'm not cut out for this, and अब नहीं होगा, अब खत्म हो गया है. But then something else comes your way, it works out.
Mm-hmm.
Life goes on. So I've
Yeah.
learned it the hard way, but I've learned it eventually.
Mm-hmm. So, are you happy how things are shaping up for you in the industry now?
Absolutely, it's more than I could ever dream of, and I never, in the first place, I never thought of becoming an actor. I'm here. It's a big fortune for me, and I'm getting to work with good people on good scripts. I'm elated in life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, are your parents supportive too of your career choice?
Yes. I mean, without their support, I wouldn't have been able to do it. In fact, the first time when I got an offer for a film, I was in a mall, and the assistant director of the film saw me there. Ferrari Ki
Oh,
Savari, which was my first film. Yeah, I never
yeah.
wanted to become an actor. Yeah, so I was there. He called me for a workshop. So तभी भी, instead of taking the decision in their hands, my parents asked me, तुझे करना है क्या? So I was like, yeah,
Okay.
मुझे, I want to give it a shot. Let's see if it होता है नहीं होता है अलग बात है, but I want to give it a shot. I was too young also. I was in the seventh grade. So they were like, okay,
Mm-hmm.
fine. So they used to take me to the workshops for this movie, for the auditions. I eventually got selected. My
Mm-hmm.
dada used to come with me on set. He used to stay there in the van whole day doing nothing. Poor guy. But yeah, so like they've supported me through and through. School में छुट्टी लेनी है, बात करनी है, exams का जो भी है.
Okay.
Like they've been there with me, and they've been a big part in giving me the reality check. कि तू बाहर होगा जो भी है, घर पे तू ऋत्विक ही है, and always like be the same with your real people, because
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
people who knew you before you were Ritwik Sahar. And I think that's really important. And for me, I mean, I just want to give the love back that people give to me. So there's no this thing like, just it's just a big family, all of us. So yeah.
Mhm. So, what are the upcoming projects you're working on?
I'm doing two. There are two web shows in the pipeline.
Okay.
One is for Hotstar. Another one I can't really talk about, but all in good time. And yeah, so these are the two projects.
Mhm. I really look forward to more of your shows and more such conversations. And thank you so much for doing this with me.